Welcome back to Super Sharp Moms. In this session, we'll discuss about fractions. I'll start with basic explanation with one simple example. This is 1 square. If we divide it into 2, it will be 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. And we use the terminology 2 halves. That is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. When the same is divided into 4, the same square is divided into 4 parts. Make sure that it is 4 equal parts. Then if I take this one part out of this 4, it is called 1 by 4th part of whole square. If I divide the square into 6, then if I take only this part, it is 1 by 6th of the whole part. Now, how to write this fraction? See, there are how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4. To write a fraction, we have to use numerator and denominator. And it will be divided with this bar. So, in this figure, 1 by 4 means out of 4 boxes, 1 box is shaded. So, 1 box is shaded out of total 4. In this 1 is numerator and 4 is denominator. So, number of equal parts is 4, shaded part is 1. So, we have to write fraction as 1 by 4. Now, let's see with simple practice exercises. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, number of squares shaded. How we have to represent? Here, 3 boxes out of 8 boxes are shaded. So, in numerator, we will write 3 and total we will write as denominator. So, 3 out of 8 boxes are shaded. Now, with second example, total 6 circles out of 3. Out of that, 3 are shaded. So, we will write as 3 by 6. We call it as also half. We will see this later. Now, explaining halves, thirds and fourths. Here, 2 equal size parts are there, out of which 1 is shaded. So, we can write 1 by 2. So, 2 halves make 1 whole. The next one, 3 equal parts are there, out of which 1 is shaded. So, it is called 1 by 3. 3 1/3 make 1 whole. Here, 4 equal parts are there, 1 is shaded. So, we will call 1 by 4th, 1/4. It is also called quarter. Now, simple exercise. To find half, we have to divide by 2. To find 1 by 3rd, we have to divide by 3. To find 1 by 4, to find 1/4, we divide by 4. I'll explain with examples. Find half of 16. Then what we have to do? Half means 1 by 2. So, divide by 2. Find 1/3 of 9. 1/3, 1 by 3. So, divide by 3. 1/4 of 8. 1/4. So, divide by 4. These questions can also be asked as word problems. Like, Neetu has 16 chocolates. She gave half to her sister. So, how many she gave? Like that. How many she gave? 16 by 2. That is 8 chocolates she gave. Now, the type of questions they may ask will be, they will give the fraction and they will ask to write numerator and denominator. So, the fraction question will be 2 by 7. In this, you have to write what is numerator and what is denominator. The number which comes above this bar is numerator. The number which comes down the bar is denominator. So, numerator is 2, denominator is 7. We are 9 by 3. Numerator is 9, denominator is 3. Now, the other type of question can be, they will give numerator and denominator and you have to write fraction. Okay, so fraction is nothing but numerator by denominator. Your numerator is 3, denominator is 27. So, the answer will be 3 by 27. Now, words to fraction form. They will give 3 nines. You have to write in fraction form. 3 hyphen, that is bar, nines, 9. 6 sevens, 6 by 7. Then, sometimes they will give fraction and they will ask to write words. So, 2 by 3, 2. thirds, 4 ninths. And different other type of questions can be shaded type questions. In type 1, they will shade and ask child to write in fraction form. So this will be the question. They will ask to write in fraction form. So how you have to understand? 3 squares are shaded out of 4. So fraction is 3 out of 4, that is 3 by 4. In type 2, they will give fraction and ask the child to shade. So here fraction is 2 by 5. So in the above case, 2 boxes should be shaded out of total 5 boxes. This will be the answer. Now going to some simple word problems. A group of 20 people went on a picnic. 1/5 of them were children. How many children are there? So this is word problem. As usual, you have to write all steps to get full marks. And one more tip I can give you, while reading the word problem itself, try to underline the numbers so that you won't get confused. Okay? People in group will be 20. Number of children is 1/5 of 20. So 1 by 5 of 20 is equal to 4. So 4 children were there in group. What is 1/3 of 21? 1 by 3 of 21, that is 7. Now the next type is comparing fractions. When both fractions are having same denominator, then to compare those fractions, see the numerator. For example, 3 by 7 box 5 by 7. In this case, denominator is 7. I have to see the numerator. 3 is less than 5. So 3 by 7 is less than 5 by 7. The second example, 2 by 10. Sorry. 2 by 10 and 1 by 10. So I will compare 2 and 1. Of course 2 is greater than 1. So in this case 2 by 10 is greater than 1 by 10. I hope you people understood the concept of fractions.